Hi everyone, welcome back to LTL channel. 'Tis the season of joy as we are celebrating Jesus' birthday. I did some crafts with my kids and I would like to share that with you. Today I'll be showing you how to make 3D Christmas trees. At the end of the video, I like to make a different type of Christmas tree, so stay tuned. All you need for this craft is a piece of construction paper and scissors. Try to follow along. Guess what? With these scraps, we can make another type of Christmas tree with it. Let me show you how to do that. Try to follow these steps. You can decorate these as you like with glitters, stickers, markers. Have fun with your kids. Enjoy the time. I hope you'll try to make this fun craft also with your kids this holiday season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, click on the subscribe button with the bell to get notification for the next video. See you in the next video. Have a blessed Christmas and a safe and healthy New Year. As always, thank you for watching LTL channel. God bless.